Being ignored is a message in itself. Read it carefully. Silence is not the absence of an answer. It is the loudest answer of all. When they ignore you, they are showing you where you stand in their priorities. Do not make excuses for someone who actively chooses to leave you in the dark. People make time for who they want to make time for. Everything else is an excuse. A lack of communication is still a form of communication. Listen to what their silence is saying. If they can easily go days without talking to you, you are not as important to them as you think. Accept their silence as the truth you were avoiding. Never chase someone who expects you to run after them. Begging for attention is the quickest way to lose someone's respect and your own. If you have to force it, leave it. Relationships, friendships, conversations, let them flow. Stop double texting. If they wanted to reply, they would have. You cannot build a kingdom with someone who is only there when it is convenient. Chasing them only proves that you believe they are more valuable than you are. The right person will pursue you. The wrong person will make you pursue them. Stand still. Let the ones who truly want you come to you. When you are ignored, step back. Distance provides clarity. Sometimes stepping back is the only way to see the full picture. Give them the gift of your absence. Let them feel the space you left behind. When you stop reaching out, you quickly learn who is actually holding on to you. Stepping back is not a sign of weakness. It is a profound declaration of self-respect. Match their effort. If they give you silence, give them space. Do not fill the silence with your anxiety. Let it breathe. Withdrawing your energy is the most elegant response to being undervalued. If they ignore you, return the favor. Keep your dignity intact. Silence is a mirror. When you stay silent, you force them to look at their own actions. Your silence will make them wonder far more than your words ever could. The most powerful thing you can do to someone who ignores you is to simply not care. Let your silence be so loud that it drowns out their ignorance. You win the game the moment you decide not to play. No response is a response, and it is a very powerful one. A calm and silent departure is the ultimate insult to those who wanted you to beg. Stop pouring your energy into a black hole. Pour it back into yourself. The energy you waste trying to get their attention could be used to build your empire. When you shift your focus from them to you, you become unstoppable. Your attention is a currency. Stop spending it on people who do not value you. Invest in yourself. It is the only investment that never loses its value. While they are busy ignoring you, you should be busy upgrading your life. Let them sleep on you while you wake up and grind. The best revenge is massive success. Let your achievements speak for you. Your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Being ignored says more about their lack of character than your lack of worth. Do not let their silence make you question your significance. You are a masterpiece, even if they only have the capacity to appreciate a sketch. They are ignoring you because they do not know how to handle your light. Never let the ignorance of others destroy your inner peace. You are complete on your own. Their validation is not required for your existence. When you know who you are, you stop caring about who ignores you. He who fears to weep should learn to be alone. Care about what other people think, and you will always be their prisoner. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. It is better to be alone than in bad company. The greatest thing in the world is to know how to belong to oneself. Control your mind, or it will control you. Detachment is not about caring less. It is about protecting your energy more. Let go of the illusion that you can control how others behave. When you detach from the outcome, their silence loses its power over you. Observe their behavior without absorbing their negativity. You cannot be hurt by what you do not cling to. Release the need to be understood by everyone. It is the ultimate freedom. Treat their silence as a passing cloud. Watch it drift away. A detached mind is an impenetrable fortress. When they finally text back after days of silence, take your time. Do not let them walk in and out of your life like a revolving door. If they ignored you when you needed them, ignore them when they need you. A boundary without a consequence is just a suggestion. Forgive them, but change their access level. You do not owe them your priority. Let them see that your world kept spinning perfectly fine without them. You lose nothing when you lose someone who does not value you. You only gain peace. When you make peace with yourself, you make peace with the world. Breathe in acceptance, exhale the past. You are safe now. Your peace of mind is your highest wealth. Guard it fiercely. Master your mind, detach from the outcome, and embrace your true power. Stay strong, stay silent, stay wise. Subscribe for more life lessons.